float, huh?
I wonder what's not there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jane. Happy birthday to you.
Gotta make a wish. My wish is so all the poor people have money and they could have a home. And they lived happily.
All right. He's a champ.
What?
You're a champ.
Okay,
Luke, want to get a few lights and we'll open the presents.
What? I open this
Turn
one?
on some lights.
I open this one?
Yeah.
These two wrappers. How many wrappers is there in this? Can we turn on the lights now?
They're on.
Hey.
No. What's the cake? What's the cake? What's the cake?
See what my picture. Whoa! It's got it. All right.
Traded it back.
Man. Thanks. Can I open my little present?
Good. How'd you get it?
Jake, this one?
Jingle bell.
Jingle bells, that was on that chalkboard. Oh, cool.
What's your cake?
How about we move the cake?
Chalkboard, my own chalk and I color. All right, chalkboard. Man, that's a big one. I got a lot. Here's one. I don't know when to stop. Whoa, coloring book. Oh man. Things that I open one.
Two of them, huh?
Fire thing. Can I open my little? This one now? No,
Open
let's
it.
do it. Jake, do it.
Yeah, open it.
How many is there? Hey, Mom!
Who's it? He opened it.
Look at this, Mom. This.
Look, you're not supposed to
And
do
this.
it.
This is one of mine.
3 of them, huh?
Look at this.
All right.
Oh, man. Mine. Oh, man. What are these things? Books? Way cool. Way cool. Oh, gosh. What is it? Here.
Never gonna kiss this.
Ooh. Puzzle.
Puzzle.
Alright. Another puzzle? Yeah, it's another puzzle.
Well, if you guess what it is, you can't open. You can't have it.
Batman puzzle. Batman? Yeah. Batman. Alright.
Get the stuff off your
Very
cake.
cool. Okay. Oh gosh. Wait. No.
No, Luke, not yours.
Okay.
He's trying to help him, okay?
That's okay. It's hard to be a little boy, isn't it?
Alright. I like this. Give me a knife.
Here, set that by the car.
Now, Dad'll have to read the directions and do that with you, Jake, okay?
Oh, look at this chalkboard.
Next time they have to use your gun, they can't.
Hey.
And it's good to nobody.
Can I do it?
Understand?
Sure.
Or so.
Yeah, well,
It erases too.
I'd rather have a husband and a father like that than a dead one.
Let's draw a dinosaur, Jake.
I'll tell you something, Eddie. If I ever have to pull my teeth,
Look what Jake let me play with, Mommy.
Let's play with this chalkboard? Yeah.
I think come and look at my little dinosaur. You gotta cut this. How do you like my dinosaur?
This sets on here. These are your rockets.
Yeah, these hook on just like this.
It's like,
This one you probably pull this down, comes off. These are the wheels.
You guys have to read the directions, huh?
Jake, look at my little dinosaur.
this is your launching pad.
Mommy, look at my dinosaur.
Let's see. Yeah, that's great. Boy, that's a good one. You're sure a good drawer, buddy.
Push it up.
Sure, where you go anyway. It's, you know better than I do.
You gotta read the directions, Chris. You can't just hand them that stuff.
Well, it's self-explanatory.
Really? I hope so.
Turn that up, okay?
Right. Piano and organ. I can play two things on each one. First one. Really
Hey, you. My tape's almost over. How's it feel to be 8?
Really fun.
Huh?
Really fun.
Really fun?
Piano.
Groups are a tool, gathering people to talk about their stories and their engagement. What they found was that atrocity stories
Note.
Did you have a happy birthday, buddy? Huh?
Yeah. And this is my other note, which is really hard to do.
That's fine, that's fine. Pretty good, buddy. I think we're out of tape. You got anything to say?
I like to eat.
What?
I like to eat.
Happy birthday. Okay, what was that?
School, very, very fun.
What does that rocket do?
First, it has all these things together. And you push down this. Things fall. Go back this. And this falls off.
Hey, you. I'm sure proud of your report card. Yeah. Keep up the good work. Just 'cause you're 8 now, you gotta stay smart, okay?
Yeah, put it backwards.
What, huh?
What am I gonna do when I get it?
I don't know. It's a whole new life, huh? You can do anything you want, huh?
Yep.
Have a lot of fun. Learn a lot, huh?
Probably we may never know. We have the ambassador's assurance that she was, and it's a very